Hello and welcome back. And today's video, we will be sharing some tips for growing chili peppers and plastic bottles. There are many different types of chili peppers available, each with their own unique flavor and heat level. Choose a variety that is suitable for your taste and climate. Some popular chili varieties that are easy to grow include jalapeno, habanero, and Thai chili. For growing chili peppers, you will want to choose a plastic bottle that has at least 2 liters in size. The larger the bottle, the more room your plant will have to grow and produce fruit. Use a sharp knife or scissors to cut several holes in plastic bottle. These holes will allow for proper drain and air circulation. Fill the plastic bottle with high quality potting soil, leaving a few inches of space at the top. Carefully plant your chili pepper seedling in the soil, making sure they are spaced out evenly. Water your chili pepper plants regularly, making sure to keep the soil moist but not overly wet. You can also add a layer of mulch to help retain moisture. Chili peppers need plenty of sunlight to grow and produce fruit. Make sure your plants are getting at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Use a balanced fertilizer to help your chili peppers grow and produce fruit. You can also use compost or organic fertilizer to keep your plants healthy. As your chili pepper plants grow, they may need to be pruned to promote bushier growth and more fruit production. Pinch off any suckers or small branches that are growing from the base of the plant. Once your chili peppers are fully grown and ripe, you can harvest them by carefully cutting them off the plant with a pair of scissors. Make sure to leave a small stem attached to the fruit. And there you have it. Some tips of growing chili peppers and plastic bottles with many fruits and for a year round harvest. With a little bit of care and attention, you can enjoy fresh spicy chili peppers throughout the year. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.